Hi guys, just placed my order and yep, it is my LeBron 9 shoes. They are replicas and I ordered it from pickgoodshoes.com. This is the box. The LeBron word. So yeah, now let's just check out the shoes. Woo! Cool, really cool. Quality is as good as the authentics. The synthetic. The soles of it. The signature. And yup, the logo. And the air bubbles are really very good. Yes. I placed my order on Friday and it arrived today, Monday. Yup. So yeah, they are really very good, very real. No one will know that you ordered replicas if you wear them to play in the court. Yeah, so yep, stay tuned for more review and subscribe to me. Thank you.